This is how Yahki awakened and said he healed all his diseases. Let's try this.
So I want you to do 7 green apples. The apples is going to stretch the cells and get all the toxins out of the cells. We're going to do 1 stalk of celery. This is going to remineralize your whole entire body. The celery sticks is going to give you all of the bile salts that you need. It's full of natural sodium. Use a pinch of cilantro. What cilantro is going to do is remove all of those different metals from the cells. You're going to use a handful of parsley so you can filtrate out properly. You're going to use only a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's going to cleanse out the vasal. It's going to make sure it opens and dilates the artery walls and the vascular walls to help blood flow and pump very good. And you're going to use a thumb of ginger. Hold on. You got 2 cucumbers without the skin. That's going to help you hydrate more. And then a whole lemon.
Let's try it. Ooh, that cayenne is kicking. But it's not a bad tasting combination except for that burn, that cayenne. Whew. I hope I ain't put too much, but it's gonna do what it need to do. Dang it.